Hello YouTube, my name is Jesse Steffen. I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel, Financial Novice 2020. I started this YouTube channel basically as a way to keep me dedicated to investing money into the stock market. I have little to no experience. My only experience is target date funds for my 401ks that I've had from job to job. So this is more so of a way for me to start from zero to see where it goes. I was inspired by a guy's video. I will put a picture up. It was called Car Hacking. And basically it was, if you invest 200 bucks a month, every month for 8 years, and you don't buy a car for more than $9,000, and he assumes he can sell your current car for $2,000, and you drive that car for 8 years, you will eventually no longer need to put any more money in, and you'll have free cars for life based off of an assumed 7% interest gain on the stock market, which is historically the average for any 5 to 7 year period. And I just kind of want to see how this goes. So I will be investing 200 bucks a month every month. And I did my first investment of $600 on April 1st. And this was, I was taking the stimulus check that we received, and I put this into the stock market. And I'm kind of splitting it up to go throughout the entirety of the month. So basically I'm taking the $1,200 stimulus check, putting that in, and then I'm also doing an additional $200 a month every month. I may be increasing my monthly payment going in, so I might raise it to say $225 or $230, $250, who knows. It just comes down to what I can save and what I'm putting towards this. But I'm using this account more so as the pay yourself first initiative. If you talk to if you guys listen to any channels like Dave Ramsey, the Brian Preston, the Money Guy Show, they always kind of say pay yourself first with your money. So me putting this money into the brokerage account is me paying myself first. Like I said, I have no experience in the stock market, and for a lot of channels that I see out there, people are investors. They've been doing this for a very long time. They know what they're doing, and what I don't see is someone like myself who has no experience. And this is basically to take you on my journey as I go forward in these little small, probably 5 to 7 minute videos. But my first $600, I bought roughly $200 worth of DIV. DIV is an ETF at about 12 bucks a share. Then I also bought SCHD, which is another ETF, which is a large market, where DIV is a mid cap. And then I also bought 1 share of BNDW, which is a bond market. What I'm trying to do is have about 10%, I'm thinking, as right now, in bonds. The rest of it in the stock market. Bonds more so for that consistent, easy cash flow, which I'll be getting about 2%. You could say go to a high yielding savings account, which will get about 1.5%. If you go to Ally Bank, is what I've been seeing. Some people say to 2 to 2.5. But I don't like going to a non-brick and mortar bank. That's me personally. I don't have an account like that, nor do I see myself getting one. But this is just kind of where I'm going. And my initial investment was, I said, roughly $600, and I'm going to see where it grows and where it goes from there. So I hope to take you along on my journey, and if you guys get something out of this, I hope so. It's more so of, there's a lot of channels, like I said, out there where people have the knowledge and the experience, but they're investing, 30, 40, 50,000 a year, if not more. I saw one channel doing like 2,500 bucks a week. I can't afford to do that. I don't think most Americans can afford to do it. So this is my beginning, start in investing. With the stock market where it is with the global pandemic, it's a great time to buy. So I'm taking my risk. So I hope you guys enjoy this process. I'm going to try to do weekly updates. I'm hoping to spend about 50 bucks a week every week. But at least give you guys an idea of what I'm getting back for my dividends, what I'm buying, why I'm moving, and just kind of showing you my initial research. Like I said, I don't know much, so this is more so of entertainment for you, and to hopefully inspire you to do something like this yourself, to gain some sort of financial future. By that I mean financial freedom or some kind of financial peace. I'm doing this more so for the guaranteed passive income, to where I never have to buy a car again, in actual cash and save up for it, or have a car loan. I've been saving 200 bucks a month every month anyway. So what's the risk of throwing in the market and get 7% over any 5 to 7 year period, where my current brick and mortar bank is going to be 0.05%. So for me, I'm willing to take the risk. I'm fortunate enough to where I'm in a financial situation to where I'm not living paycheck to paycheck, and I have my 6 months livable income, and I can go ahead with this. So this is going to be my savings account for my future car fund. I currently drive a Hyundai Sonata with about 76,000 miles on it, so I should easily be able to get another 5 to 6 years out of it. So I hope to be uploading these videos, whether it's quick, simple, or easy, just something to say, hey, this is what I'm doing, to give you guys an idea of where I'm at with this fund, this brokerage account, and where to go forward. So I hope you guys enjoy.